What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another winter vlog here. Today we're going to be heading out to a little waterfall not too far from Tacoma with Spencer, aka Spinroll on Instagram. If you guys don't follow him, his link will be in the description down below on Instagram, so make sure you give him a follow. Alright guys, in some exciting news, I did end up buying a prime lens of 1.4. Now this is actually my first prime lens in about 5 years. That's 1.4. So I'm actually pretty excited to use it during street photography or even any type of photography. I'll show it to you guys at the end of the vlog, so stay tuned for that. It's the boy Spencer. Fuck it out here. Yeah, I know about it. Sure. It's gonna be in the vlog.
Archer. Come here. Right there. Stay right there.
Alright, so we made it out to the trailhead here. Got Spencer over there with little Archie. Archie, right?
Archer.
Archer. Or
Say hi.
Archie. Doesn't want to say hi.
Say hi.
For obvious reasons, I'm not going to say what trail we're on. Just to keep it, you know, safe and you know what I'm talking about. But anyways, thanks to Brad and Maple for letting us know where to actually stop. So big shout out to Brad. So yeah guys, that little walk we just did on the trail rail, little sketch. Now I don't know where we're gonna go. So Spencer was telling me that a couple of people have fortunately passed away in this trail because they either slipped or something. So I do highly suggest you guys be careful when you're going out and hiking or doing photography or anything like that. And this is another reason why I'm not mentioning what waterfall or trail this is. Alright guys, so we're heading back to the car. I wasn't vlogging. Anyways, as I was saying, I didn't want to vlog all that because that thing was steep. Even Spencer, healthier than me, had a problem getting up there. But now we're heading back to the car and yeah, probably gonna head home now. We got some pretty cool photos and videos. Whew, I need to get back in shape, especially for summer. I gotta try to hike a lot. Maybe do a couple trips here and there in the PNW. I know Spencer is trying to get ready too. But we'll catch you in a bit.